Here, Jack, have some more pumpkin. Don't you like the pumpkin? You gonna get what's on the inside? Help Daddy get the insides out.
Look inside now. Ah, seeds. Those are pumpkin seeds. But
Gonna get some of your own seeds out?
Look. Get some seeds. Oh, look.
Oh, Daddy's all gooey. Shake his hand, Daddy.
Gotta get some